morning. I'm Rob,
I'm Chelsea, and this is Chloe.
and we're here with your June FBCD Upbeat. Every Wednesday night at 6:30 p.m., prayer meetings are in the chapel.
Don't forget Vacation Bible School, July 11th through the 15th. Sign up your kids, grandkids, and neighbor kids today. Look for a list of things to do that you need to help us with. Not you. You. No, not you, the one next to you. Yeah, you. There you go. All of you to help. Coming soon. This is Chelsea, Chloe,
And Rob.
signing off your FBCD Upbeat. See ya!